If you're thinking about using SketchMe.App to create AI-generated t-shirt designs, you're going to want to hear these 7 crucial insights before jumping in. This just released AI software is making serious waves, but it's not all perfect and there are a few things that could make or break your results. You can try it completely free from the first link in the description, but before you dive in, here's what you need to know. Especially the weird limitation I discovered that most people won't mention. SketchMe.App is built for speed and simplicity. You don't need to be a designer. Just type a short prompt, and the AI instantly creates a custom graphic ready for t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, you name it. What stood out right away is how niche-focused the templates are. You can actually select categories like funny dog quotes, retro gym tees, or viral meme shirts. That alone makes this a goldmine for print-on-demand stores. The AI itself is solid. It generates art in under 10 seconds, and unlike many other t-shirt AI tools I've tested, the outputs are actually print-ready. No weird faces, no blurry details. You get 4 to 5 variations per prompt, and you can upscale the one you like instantly, or edit it further. Now here's where things get interesting. SketchMe.App doesn't just stop at design, it has built-in mockup tools that place your image onto a t-shirt automatically. That's huge, because it means you can skip using Canva or Smart Mockups. Plus, it includes export presets for Etsy, Shopify, and even Amazon merch. That's a major time saver. There's also a prompt builder feature. If you don't know what to write, it'll auto-generate high-converting ideas based on your niche. I ran it through 3 tests: funny coffee quotes, gamer hoodies, and mom-themed shirts. It nailed all 3 with surprisingly unique designs. And yes, you own the rights to everything the AI creates. But, and this is important, SketchMe.App isn't built for full branding. You won't be customizing fonts or doing advanced layout tweaks. It's meant for speed and volume. Think of it like a rapid content engine for your pod store, not a full design suite. The one downside, the free plan is generous, but you'll hit limits fast if you're creating in bulk. The good news is the paid tiers are very affordable, and you can generate hundreds of assets a day once unlocked. So, is it worth it? If you're running a print-on-demand business, especially on marketplaces like Etsy or Redbubble, SketchMe.App is one of the most efficient tools I've tested out of the hundreds of AI tools I review. And remember, you can try it for free using the first link in the description. I recommend starting with a niche you already know, testing a few prompts, and letting the AI do the heavy lifting. If you want to see the full list of my top-rated AI tools after testing thousands of them, check out the AI software recommendations also in the description. They're all free to try, and they've saved me hundreds of hours across marketing, design, and content creation.